Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can do about factorization by x, and we have like this. So this one multiply by this one, so we can see that we have 51. This is about number 1. So when we combine two factors together, we will have like this. That is about 51 plus 1, and we have 52. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared plus 1. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2s. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Because we don't have number 2, so we divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, we have number 0 in here, and I will put this one gone here, and we can find the value of u. So u equals to number 1. When s equals to number 1, we put number 1 gone here to find the value of u. So u equals to 1 squared plus 1. We have number 2. So number 0 we change for number 1. Number 1 we change for number 2. And this one we change for u. The s we change for this one. So the integration of this one, we have u to the power of 52 plus 1 over 52 plus 1, and I will put the bounds from number 1 to number 2. Because we have the formula in here. So we put number 2 gone here and number 1 gone here. So this one we have number 1. This one we have 53. This one we have 53. So this one divide by number 2. So we have number 2 to the power of 52. And now we can simplify like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching. This is the end.